Hey y'all! So today's video is really gonna be about my closet and how I keep it organized. Probably some tips on how you can keep your closet organized, neat and clean. So let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so this is my closet and it looks neat because it actually stays like this. Whenever I use something, I put it right back in its place as soon as I'm done with the laundry, doing laundry. So I keep my sweaters there, and I only keep a select amount of things out for every season. You know, as winter approaches, I brought out my sweaters, but they weren't always there. So I honestly keep whatever, like I'll keep whatever I have on the top of this shelf is based on the weather and the season that we're in. So I have my sweaters there, short sleeves and leggings because I still wear short sleeves in the winter as well. I have my long sleeves there, jeans, dresses that I have to put away, some shirts and random stuff over there. And down here on this rack, I have my son's clothes. I have clothes that I want to stay like neat, like shirts, for example, long sleeve tops. And this would, this way, using this method, it helps me because when I want to plan out his outfit, I can see what is here and whatnot, and match it and whatever. So I coordinate his tops and stuff by hangers. Like for example, his sweaters and shirts, I keep them on wooden hangers or hangers that look like this, felted or velvet. And then long sleeves and t-shirts, I keep them on these blue hangers. These are baby hangers, by the way. Yeah, and his clothes fit perfectly on it. So I keep those tops on those hangers, little hangers, and then his nightgowns also are on these hangers as well. And I put this is how I keep his nightgown sets. I put them in like that. Yep. And then on this side, I have my clothes. I do have to get rid of some of these clothes and organize these hangers better, but this side have my clothes because they're a little longer. I keep his stuff on this side because they're short, obviously, and like I can fit stuff underneath here. And then on this side, I have to, on camera it looks unorganized, but trust me, it's organized. I have my bags, some of my bags up here, then let me put on the light. And then at the bottom here, I have this little organizing system thing. I'll link it down in the description box, but I have my workout stuff on this shelf. Then on this shelf I have my shorts for summer, and a lot of these clothes are I'm putting them away because obviously I'm not wearing shorts in the winter. So again, I'm basing these, like I'm putting out only what I need for the winter on these shelves and stuff. So then I just have my sewing machine here. I do have to organize this closet a little bit, but I have some extra, what do you call it, gift wrapping paper. And in the back there, it has some space in the back as well at the side of this organizing rack. So I keep a lot of his baby clothes that I have to give away in like a Ziploc bag. Yep. And then woo. And then like in these, I got these from Target. I keep a lot of my headbands in here, random stuff, and like personal care stuff in these little baskets. And then just I have like his wipes, his everyday essential stuff here in this little Dollar Tree basket. And then his Pampers right here. I keep these baskets I got, I believe, from TJ Maxx or what is this thing called? TJ Maxx or Marshalls, some one of them. I keep our socks in here. My socks is on top, and his socks are in here. And then I have some I store my luggages on this side, and yeah, just some random stuff on the side. And yeah, that's the closet. And I also happen, this container I got from Target. Believe it or not, this is wrapped in Dollar Tree wallpaper, wood wallpaper. This is from Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped it. And I spray painted the bottom of the what do you call this thing? The bottom of this container black. Just the front, just for like aesthetic, just to, because it's aesthetically pleasing. I just painted it like that because black goes with wood. So yeah, and it just went with the design that I wanted to achieve. So yeah, I just used black spray paint and Dollar Tree wallpaper. And this drawer set I had for like a couple of years now, and it's 2 separate drawer piece from IKEA. I'm not sure if they still have this, but I got this from IKEA. And I roll my son's pants up, and I just like, you know, stack them. So this is how I keep the drawers organized. And again, I only put out things based on the season that we're in, you know. So these are all his long pants, and sweatpants go here, but I have to do laundry. And like his vests and stuff, his undershirts go right there. And some of my random clothes, a lot of my clothes are here. Not a lot, but like, you know, a few pieces, like, you know, nightgown pieces I leave in this drawer for myself. My son and I don't have a lot of I choose not to have a lot of clothes, and I'm getting rid of more clothes because a lot of clothes we are not using. We just have it there just for having sake. So I'm getting rid of a lot of clothes as well. So these are his underpants, like his little boxer briefs or whatever. And yeah, these are just random stuff. I keep his bed sheets in here as well. So yes, that's my closet tour. That's my closet tour and how I keep everything neat and clean. In the back of the closet, it has hooks. So I do keep things like, you know, my I got this from Dollar Tree, by the way. I keep things like, you know, my ironing board, dresses, special dresses, I keep in the back there. And his hats sometimes. But it depends, honestly. Like, but yeah, that's a closet. And these close up like this. And yes, I did paint the door white because it was ugly before. It was brown. So yeah, that's my little closet. and how I keep it clean. So yeah, so that's my closet tour and how I keep it clean. Maybe that'll help you to, or maybe inspire you to organize your closet. I don't know, but that's my closet. Maybe you could take, run away with some helpful tips. I don't know if I gave you some tips to keep your closet organized and how to organize and what to get and stuff like that. Maybe I struck a lightning bulb, a creative lightning bulb in your head. Maybe, hopefully. Because I really want to show you guys how it is possible to keep your something like your closet organized cheaply. Like you could get these hangers from Dollar Tree, these little blue hangers from Dollar Tree, girl. Or you can go to Target. Target has these blue hangers, and I think IKEA, I'm not too sure. I got these wood hangers from IKEA. So yeah, and if you want white hangers, Dollar Tree have them as well. So you really could make it happen on a budget for real, and this container got from Target, I think it was $6. Spray paint, Dollar Tree wallpaper, you're good. Like you really have to think creatively when it comes to things like this. But that's my closet tour, and I did put wallpaper on the shelf, by the way. There's wallpaper on this. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully I inspire someone or help someone on how to stay organized and maybe organize your closet, yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.